Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with a Hoback Warhorse here with me for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. Look at this pretty cool wooden box this beast is coming with. It's nicely made. Here you have your Warhorse, which is a stout flipper, like 100% beast of a knife. This is made by Jake Hoback in collaboration with Alpha Hunter, and it's not like a huge one. In fact, you can see that this guy overall length is going to be 7.65 inches with a 3-inch long blade and roughly 4.6-inch long handle. So it's not that big, but it's tall. 100%. It's quite slim for the size of this beast, but yeah, this is a $700 knife, so it's not a cheap one. Made in USA, titanium frame lock. It has a titanium back spacer right over here, titanium pocket clip tip-up carry only, nice spring tension to it, maybe just a little bit too short clip ramp right there, but it's sporting a Tanto blade, pretty tall, flat grind, DLC coated, crew wear steel. It's a frame lock, and of course this guy has the HRD, which is the Hoback roller detent, which is just not like a regular detent ball press fit into in this case stainless steel lock face insert, but it's just an actual caged bearing which is rolling. So that's a pretty neat feature for sure. This guy is nice. It flips open like beautifully. You're gonna need probably to stick with the light switch rather than just like push button like that. It's not gonna work. You have to do the push button maybe at an angle, but it's a little bit on the sharp side. Really good ergonomics on the handle. Absolutely feels pretty good in the hand. There's some I miss some more room here for my thumb to disengage the lock bar. I can achieve that, but it's not the best solution. I think the action could be improved a little bit. It's not that there's no drop shuttiness whatsoever, but I mean, this guy looks pretty menacing. Sounds like nice. It's really quiet when you close it, but when you open it, ooh, there's a beautiful thwack to the opening sound. This guy is gonna weigh in at 6 ounces, and so it's not a light boy, but it's pretty thick one. So there you have it. If you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.